All right, working on the assembly of my blinker assembly and for the steering column. So there's not much parts for this. So here's your blinker assembly and your wire and your cup. And here's your upper bearing and then the plate and your 3 springs and 3 screws. So for starters, take your bearing and line it up on the blinker assembly. So the wide part here, where you have the widest between holes, um, lines up here. Okay. Okay, so once you got that on and snug, okay, and then you want to fish your wire in this unit for your cup. Okay, and then your wire lines up here with this notch. See, once your holes line up on the bottom, then get your screws in, poke those through, and then you have to click it over, get the other screw in. Okay, and when you get your screws in, okay, and get your springs. It's a little hard. You got to make sure that those screws don't pop back out. All right, and then so this notch here lines up with your wire. So, okay. Let's see if we can get those thread in. Gotta get them lined up. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but okay, and that's it. Okay, so you get a little bit of give in there. To be honest, I don't know how tight you get these screws. But I'm going into the point where the screw just barely hits is flush with the plate for now. And then when I go and show how to install this on the steering column itself, we'll go over more on how deep these screws go and how much flex you need in those springs. to do this. So from the looks of it, it needs to be much tighter. So, but for now, we'll leave it as is, and that's it.